Hey guys, we have here this digital combination lock, and sometimes it happens that you do forget the combination that you type in order to close the lock, so you can't really open it back up again. So in this example we're using here 1, 2, 3, 4 to close it. You see now it's locked. But sometimes you really just can't remember the combination that you typed in anymore. And at that point the master key comes in handy, and usually every digital combination lock has one of these master keys. And of course the master key combination is going to vary by manufacturer. And of course this usually is also just the default master key, so the master key can actually be changed as well. So in the example for this lock, the master key works as following. First you press the programming key on the bottom, and then the combination is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. And you already heard it, this now unlocked this. Now the big question is, how do you find the master key for the specific combination lock that you have? And the answer to that is that you need to find the user's manual on the internet for the specific lock that you have. And usually there is a section in there that explains what the default master key is. And usually the master key has never been changed, so it will most likely work for you as well. Now in the case for this lock, if you don't change the user key at this point and type in a new one, then the lock is going to be secured with the exact same user key as before. And since we don't remember it, we still can't open this lock again. So we have to use the master key one more time. And then now we could change it potentially. And but now again, so we didn't change the key, we just used the user key as we remembered, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it's going to open back up.